Hey, Dan the Science Man here, and I am going to get sneezed on for science. Some of you might have heard or seen tape on the floor in stores and have heard that you're supposed to stay about 6 feet away from people. So today we're going to test whether or not 6 feet will protect you from getting sneezed on. For our first example, my partner is going to sneeze on me from approximately 4 feet away. We are going to do 3 parts to this experiment: 4 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet. We will be using colored food dye for each one. So, for the first one, for 4 feet, we'll be using black food dye, and I'm going to get sneezed on, and we'll see how much ends up on my shirt. And then we're going to repeat this again for 6 feet and 8 feet. 4 feet. Now we're going to try again from 6 feet, and this will be blue. Again, this is a mixture of water and arrowroot powder, which is a thickening agent. 6 feet. Finally, we're going to try again from 8 feet. Now, I want to make a prediction. Will 8 feet be sufficient to keep me protected from a sneeze? 8 feet. What were the results? Was 8 feet enough to keep me protected from getting spit on me from 8 feet away?